Look, while most of the world spends millions hauling massive ships into expensive shipyards for repairs, Russia does something far more clever. So how do they do it? In the brutal cold of Siberia, they don't move their ships at all. Instead, they let nature take over. When winter hits, rivers like the Lena freeze into thick, rock-solid ice, and that frozen surface becomes a natural dry dock. Normally, repairing a ship means lifting it completely out of the water so engineers can access the bottom parts, like the propeller and rudder. It's a complex and costly process. As the ship freezes into place, the surrounding water turns into a solid platform strong enough to support its massive weight. Workers then cut and dig through the ice beneath the ship, creating access points to carry out repairs right there. This method is so efficient that it can cut repair costs by up to 90%. Multiple ships can be repaired at the same time.